We can see words almost everywhere. Do you know that there are more than 8,000 kinds of words on the earth? Words are different color, shape, and size. They are found everywhere on the earth. Most birds can fly in the air. The wings of the bird help them to fly. The wings are attached to the body with the help of muscles. These muscles help the wings to move. They have hollow and light bones which make their bodies very light. The streamlined or boat shaped body of the birds help them to fly through the air easily. The details of the birds help them to change direction while flying. When birds fly, their wings move up and down in two directions. The upward movements of birds is called upstroke movement. The downward movements of birds is called downstroke movement. A bird's body is covered with different types of feathers. Down feathers are small, fluffy feathers. They keep the bird's body warm. Flight feathers are attached to move wings to the move wings. They are furred and long. They help the birds to fly. There are some birds like ostrich, embokiwi, etc., which are heavy in weight and big in size. They cannot fly. For these birds are called flightless birds. Different kinds of birds have beaks of different shape. The shape of a bird's beak depends on the kind of food it eats. Bird uses their beaks to pick up and eat their food. They also use their beaks to make their nest. Sparrow, pigeon, and peacock have these beaks to eat grains, seed, and crack nuts. A parrot has a short and hooked beak helps in it to crack nuts and white hard fruits. Eagles, vultures, and hawks having strong, sharp, and hooked beaks. Such a beak helps these birds to steer the flesh. Ducks have what the flat shovel-like beaks. These beaks help them to dig in the soft mud near ponds to find worms for their food. These beaks have strainers along the edges of the beaks. Water and mud goes out of these strainers, leaving worms inside. A wood because has a strong, hard, and heavy beaks. It helps it to make holes in the trunks to catch insects for its foods. Sparrows have broad and short beaks. Their mouth is strictly from inside as they go round and round through the air with beaks open. Tiny insects get stuck into their mouths. Kingfisher have such beaks to catch fish from water bodies. Sunbird have this type of beak of stick nectar of flowers. Feet and claws of birds use their feet and claws to walk, hop, open shit on the branches of the tree. They also help the birds to catch and hold their food. Praying birds like vultures and eagles have two sharp claws with curved nail called talons to kill their prey and tear flesh. Purchasing birds like crows and sparrow, have four toes, three in front and one at two back. These help them to perch on a branch of the tree strongly and firmly. Scratching words like hens and peacock have sharp claws and strong legs. These help them to stretch the ground to the looks for seed and worms. Climbing birds like parrot and woodpeckers have two of their toes pointing upwards and the other two pointing downwards. This helps them to clinging to trees. Vending words like paddy words and carnus have a long leg with wide spreading toes. Their toes prevent their feet from shaking in the wet mud. Swimming words like duck and swans have webbed feet help them to push back water while swimming. A nest, a home of a bird nest, are shelter of their eggs and young ones. Birds laying their eggs in a nest. The egg hatch. The young ones come out. The parent bird feeds to baby birds and protects it from enemies and bad weather until they learn to look after themselves and they learn to fly. Types of nest. Birds use a variety of things to build their nest. Clothes, leaves, straw, wool, threads, and twigs are some commonly used materials. Weaver birds weaves in its nest from grass and leaves. It has a slight vents inside it which prevents twigs from falling. Vultures use sticks to make nest in tall trees. The nest of a vulture looks like a shallow cup. Sparrow and pigeon build their nest on banisters, roofs of house and other places. Ta- Tailor would make it nest with leaves. It used to use its beak as a needle to sew the leaves using thread and wool. Woodpeckers make their nest in tree trunks with the help of their beaks. Kingfisher make a hole along the bank of a river and use it as a nest. Cuckoo is a very lazy and clever bird. It does not build its nest. It lays its eggs in the crow nest and lets the mother crow look after its egg. Birds are great travelers. Birds living in very cold place move to warmer place in winter. When the winters are over, they move to their native places. Their periodic mass movement of birds from one place to another is called migration. Just as a machine has different parts, our body also has many parts. Each parts of our body is called an organ. Each organ has to do a special action which is called its function. There are 8 important organ system in the human body. Each system has its own function. Muscular system, structural system, respiratory system, digestive system, nervous system, productive system, externary system, circulatory system. The organs that help us to digest our food together from digestive system. The organs of the digestive system are mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and animus. We take in food through our mouth. The saliva in the mouth makes our food soft. It then
Yeah.
moves to food pipe. From the food pipe, the food moves to the stomach, which is a sac-like organs in the stomach. The food is charged and broken into the smaller pieces. The food then moves to the small intestine, there where it is further digested and is observed. The under-digested food then moves to large intestine. The under-digested food is thrown over through the anus as feces. The organs that helps us to breathe from our respiratory system. The organs of the respiratory system are nose, windpipe, and lungs. We take in air through our nose. Thank you.